Hi everyone, in today's lesson, I will give you some more exercise on section 6.3, and for today's homework, that is revision exercise 6, question 23, 24, 27, 29, and 30. In this video, I will talk about one of the question in exercise 6C, question 22, okay, which I have assigned it you yesterday. Okay, and I will show you the calculation. For the graph drawing, I will not show you. Okay, so in this question, the graph given is y equals to 3 over 7 to the power x. That means we are going to use the base of 3 over 7. So for part 8, it asks you to find the values for 7 over 3 to the power 2.1 and the square root of 343 over 27. Okay, so for part A1, seven over 3 to the power 2.1. So are the base the same? Okay, with the original graph. So the answer is no. So that means we have to change the base into 3 over 7. So you can think of what should we do. Okay, so simply we can just convert it with the power of -1. Okay, and for the power 2.1, we just keep it outside. And finally, we can convert it into 3 over 7 to the power -2.1. Then we can get that x is equals to -2.1. Afterwards, we can use the graph to find the final answer. Okay, then for part A2, the value in the question is the square root of 343 over 27. So again, we have to change the square root into rational index. Okay, that is 1 over 2. Okay, afterwards, you have to think of 343 and 27. Can we change it or convert it into the base of 7 or 3? Okay, then for 343, that is 7 to the power 3, and for 27, it is 3 to the power 3. So that means it can be changed into 7 over 3 to the power 3 and to the power 1 over 2. And therefore we have 7 over 3 to the power 3 over 2. So again, is the base same as the base that mentioned in the question? That is no. Okay, so again, we are going to use the similar techniques in part A1, that we can convert 7 over 3 into 3 over 7 to the power -1. So therefore, it will become -3 over 2. So therefore, we can get that x is equals to -3 over 2, or we can say that it is -1.5. Okay, this is part A. Okay, and then we can take a look of part B. For part B, 1, so this time we have to do the change of subject. So we have to keep 3 over 7 to the power x. So therefore we have to move all the numbers to the right hand side. So first, we will move the 36 to the right hand side, and afterwards, for the 8, we will divide to the right hand side, and therefore we will have 3 over 7 to the power x is equals to 4.5. Okay, and this is the value of y. Then for the remaining part is drawing the graph. Then I think most of you can do it. And then for part B2, seven over 3 to the power x is equals to 0.1. So again, as the base using now is not same as the one mentioned in the question. So therefore, again, we are going to use the similar techniques that we can change it into 3 over 7 with the power -1 outside, so that it will become -x. And be careful, now the question, or now in this line, the power is -x, but we have to change it into power x. So therefore, we have to do one more step. That is, we have to putting one more index outside, that is -1. So that for the left hand side, it will finally become 3 over 7 to the power x. And for right hand side, we just simply calculate in the using the calculator, that is 10. And finally, we know that y is equals to 10. So that we can draw a line on the graph.